Hello 8th standard students. We were discussing about the lesson linear equations in one variable and the word problems, isn't it? So we have completed different types of sets of our word problems. Now coming to the example 11, two trains start simultaneously from two stations 300 kilometer apart. तो दो ट्रेन्स साइमल्टेनियसली मतलब एक साथ स्टार्ट करेंगे फ्रॉम टू स्टेशंस ए एंड बी. सोचो, वी आर टेकिंग ए एंड बी स्टेशंस. फ्रॉम बोथ द स्टेशंस दे आर स्टार्टिंग टुगेदर and they are coming towards each other. So A will be moving from here to the right, B will be moving from right to left. These are the two stations A and B, and that is 300 kilometer apart. So distance between the two stations is 300 kilometers. Now the speed of one train is more than the other by 20 kilometer. So if you take the train which is starting from A, that is the first train, if you take it as x kilometer per hour, the other train, the speed of the other train which is starting from B, take it, it will be x plus 20 kilometer per hour. Is it clear? So if one train, the speed is x kilometer per hour, then the other will be x plus 20 according to the question. Now if the distance between the two trains after 2 hours, मतलब A C में आकर रुका और B D में आकर रुका है, तो इन दोनों के बीच में the distance between the two trains after 2 hours is 20 kilometer. So this is 20 kilometer. But they have not given the distance here. That we have to find out. Understood? Total distance between A and B is 300. After 2 hours, both the trains, they move towards each other, and after 2 hours, they reach such point that they are 20 किलोमीटर अपार्ट. उनकी दूरी 20 किलोमीटर है. तो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट स्पीड ऑफ द ट्रेन्स. दोनों ट्रेन के स्पीड फाइंड आउट करो. तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? लेट सॉल्यूशन, लेट द स्पीड ऑफ फर्स्ट ट्रेन मतलब A से स्टार्ट होने वाला, लेट इट बी x किलोमीटर पर आवर. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, स्पीड ऑफ सेकेंड ट्रेन will be how much? It is 20 kilometers more. That is why x plus 20 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now distance, time they have told after 2 hours, isn't it? So distance covered by first train in 2 hours. After 2 hours they have told. So we will see AC कितना आएगा. So after 2 hours it will be, formula क्या है? Speed into time. So speed कितना बोले हैं? x. Time कितना बोले हैं? 2. So it will become 2x kilometer. Understood? So this one AC becomes how much? 2x kilometer. Now distance covered by the second train in 2 hours. Again speed into time. स्पीड कितना है, इधर कितना आया है x + 20 और टाइम 2 hours है ना, आफ्टर 2 hours. सो 2 into x 2x plus 2 into 20 40 किलोमीटर. तो ये हमें मिला अभी कितना 2x + 40. But total distance, how much they have told? Total distance between two stations is equal to 300 kilometer. But according to question, the distance travelled by first train plus distance travelled by second train plus distance between two trains after 2 hours is equal to total distance. Yes or no? फिगर में देखो, total distance is distance covered by the first train, distance covered by the second train and the distance between the two trains. So उसके हिसाब से क्या क्या बना, by the first train कितना है 2x और second train का 2x + 40 plus distance between the two कितना दिया है after 2 hours, it is 20 is equal to 300. Is it clear? So 2x plus 2x is 4x plus 60 is equal to 300. So 4x is equal to 300 minus 60, that is 4x is equal to, it is a 0, 10 minus 6, 4 and 2. So x is equal to 240 upon 4. 4 ones are 4 6 are. So you got 60. X is equal to 60. But now we have to find out the speed of the trains. So answer speed of first train. फर्स्ट ट्रेन का स्पीड कितना लिए हैं हम x, that is 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर. और स्पीड ऑफ सेकेंड ट्रेन कितना बोले 2x + 40, ना ये x + 20, x + 20, that is 60 plus 20 is equal to 80 kilometer per hour. Understood? So put the value, x का value डालो, फिर आंसर लिखो. Hope everyone understood the example 11. Okay, this is the questions related to distance between the two towns. Okay, now coming to the worksheet sum, question number 12. The distance between two towns, take the towns A and B, it is total is 300 kilometer, same like earlier. Okay, first one train is moving from A and the other train is, here it is the car, okay, between two towns. From A first car is moving, from B the second car will be moving, and the speed of one car is more than the other by 7 kilometer. If you take the car from A as a x kilometer, B will be x plus 7, and after 2 hours the distance between the two places will be how much? 34 kilometer. This in between, it will be 34 kilometer. So solution, what will you write? First, let the speed of first car is equal to x kilometer per hour. The one which is starting from A, let it be x kilometer. Therefore, speed of second car will be how much? X plus 7 kilometer per hour. Are we understanding? Because it is 7 kilometer more speed, isn't it? Kilometer per hour. Okay, now coming to distance travelled by first car. What is the formula? Distance is equal to speed into time. First car in 2 hours. Okay. That is, speed is x and time is 2. So it will be 2x kilometer per hour. Kilometer. It is distance. Now, distance travelled by second car in 2 hours. Speed into time. Speed is how much? X plus 7. Time is 2. So 2 into x plus 7 2s are 14 kilometer. Now total distance, how much they have told? Between two towns. Is equal to 300 kilometer. Distance between the two cars after 2 hours. How much they are told? 34 kilometer. Now, according to question, here I am not writing all that. First, the distance covered by the first car will be how much? It is 2x plus, hope you are understanding this, distance covered by the first car plus the distance covered by the second car. It is 2x plus 14. Now, distance between the two cars after 2 hours, that is 34, is equal to the total distance. That is why this figure. So, this is the distance covered by the first car. This is the distance covered by the second car. The distance between the two cars after 2 hours. That is full total distance. Now 2x, 4x plus it becomes 48 is equal to 300. So 4x is equal to 300 minus 48. That is 4x is equal to 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 4 is 5 and 2. So x is equal to 252 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 6 are 24, 1 remains, 4 3s are 12. You got 63. Now write answer speed of first car is equal to x is equal to 63 kilometer per hour. Speed of second car is equal to x plus 7, that is 63 plus 7 is equal to 70 kilometer per hour. So this was about the questions related to the distance between the two towns. Hope everyone understood. So first, write the speed of the one car, let it be x, the other car will be x plus whatever value is given. So find out the distance covered after 2 hours for both the cars, and the distance between the two cars after 2 hours is given. So when you add all the three, you will get the total distance. Hope everyone understood these two sums. Only one question is there in the worksheet of this type of question. Hope everyone understood. Is it clear? Okay then, bye. Thank you.